Hi, Leather Rokk here. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm doing a quick video. These are the Easter eggs that I decorated this year, and I am filming right now because one of my roommates is impatient to have breakfast. And I said, don't make me choose the egg I like the least. So let me just show what I have here. I didn't even get the normal dye brand that you get like every year with the tablets in the vinegar and water solution. I just mixed food coloring in either straight vinegar or a vinegar and water solution, and I just did the 4 colors that they give you and a few permutations thereof. And anyway, I'm going to show you what I came up with without dropping and breaking any. Okay. I deliberately didn't use any clear crayon to work with the designs or anything because I wanted everything to be totally organic so that I could use these to start seedlings in for my garden this year, ultimately. Is this light making too much of a glare? Here. Oh, but then you really don't have any light to see except for the overhead. What do you think is best? I mean, you need some kind of light. I'm trying for you to see this without the glare. On the monitor, it looks like the sea looks like so much white, and this is actually was originally dyed red. Let me turn the lights out. Okay, you got more of an idea. This here is a spot of peanut butter. Yeah, you could tell because of the oil it leaves behind. See, I could keep on working on these a couple times a day, you know. But when you've got somebody that's impatient that wants to eat one, and then she's saying, they really should be refrigerated, you know. And that's true, but people have Easter eggs laying around. And my recollection growing up is that you had hard-boiled eggs that were colored up, and they were Easter eggs, and they were in a basket, and you had them around for a couple of weeks before Easter morning. And that's when you would start cracking and eating one egg at a time. And none of us ever dropped dead. Out of these, I'm supposed to pick the one that's the ugliest that she's supposed to have for breakfast. And when I first did these eggs, anything that cracked when they were being boiled, those were the first to be eaten, the ones that I didn't color. Then there was like one or two that were cracked that I did color, and those were the next ones to be eaten. I like to, I love to eat hard-boiled eggs by mashing them and just adding salt and pepper to them and nothing else. And to me, that's how you eat hard-boiled egg. And it has to be really well done hard-boiled. Like, I don't know, I hard-boil my eggs for 30 minutes, and I think that she would think that that's too much. She being my mother, okay. We're like, I guess we have this kind of competition for who does things the right way. And, her being a mother, she assumes that her way is always the right way. And it's like my years of experience, especially all that time I was out in California, where I didn't have uh, elders lording over me with their idea what the right way was. And sometimes, yes, I made it up as I went along. Other times, you figure out what to you seems to work. I showed you this already. It's really hard to mix a purple shade using the blue and the red uh, food coloring that you get in most grocery stores. I'm sure I could go to the cake decorator dyes and I can get specific colors, and they're beautiful colors, and I'd be paying a very pretty penny for it. And that's the thing, is that I balk at the price tag. I kept experimenting with adding different quantities of green to the blue, as well as how long you leave the egg in these colors. I didn't bother doing my nails. I could have done it before I went on camera last night. And I was really kind of tired at that point. As a matter of fact, I usually try to film an empty stomach so my stomach doesn't stick out. But I went and made myself a package of ramen noodles. I had a little bit of leftover sardines and oil in the fridge. I usually put sardines and oil over rice, but I only had a really, really, really small amount of brown rice left. So I ended up throwing that in the ramen noodles, and that was what I ate just before filming, because when I was filming, it was around 4 in the morning, I think. So now this filming that I didn't know that I was going to have to do. So anyway, for all you people that celebrate Easter, happy Easter. Oh, you know what I'm going to have for Easter grass? the packaging, the cushioning material for my Too Faced palette. They use this shredded up pink accordion pleated paper, which will be fine as Easter grass. And my mother has some uh, baskets that mean something to her from when my father was dating her, and he gave her some sheer scarves, which was what was worn back then. And anyway, she has them in an Easter basket, and she's gonna find them, and maybe I will have. Well, I won't have it for this video because this video is what you see here, but maybe the next video I'll have it. I don't know. So I'm going to guess that I showed you everything. I'm going to show you the egg carton that I have these in. I am going to let her decide which of these is the ugliest, but at least you have seen everything. I really wanted to add more to these. These beans here are from those beans that I never have yet identified, but I think might be cranberry beans. Okay, well, enjoy yourself. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like me and my content, I'd love to have you subscribe. Wait a minute. Let me turn the light on. So, yeah, was it better to not have the light on for those eggs? My roommate wants to have something for breakfast, even though she also said she gave up. Anyway, love to have you subscribe. If you do, hit the bell notification and you won't miss anything. Till then, talk to you soon. Bye. Think this is the ugly one? Do you think this is the ugly one? Yeah, she's got to decide on which one would be the ugly one. It can't be this purple one here. This can't be the ugly one. All right. Well, we got to find an ugly one. I don't know how we're going to do that. But, oh, Tabby boy, you sneaky cat. He was not here for my turnaround. Look. Look at Tabby boy. Look at Tabby boy. Tabby boy. Look. Tabby boy. See, Tabby boy? You bastard weren't here for my turnaround. That's okay. Talk to you soon. Bye.